Howdy folks, this is 19th of February 2023 and this roundabout, the Sigah roundabout, has now been cordoned. That means nobody's supposed to go inside that anymore. It's already slated for demolition after the rituals that was carried out on the 11th of this month. It's very noisy here. It's very the traffic is very hectic, and even trying to cross to the other side is quite risky. It's quite risky to try and cross today, and that's why as a tourist attraction, how can that be a tourist attraction when you can even go there safely without endangering your life with the traffic? But I'll try and take a video of it, the last video of this thing, before it is removed to build a flyover in my direction. So in facing the Sigah is facing Kinabalu, so the flyover will be in the same direction from KK to Moyog. That will be the flyover, while underneath will be this traffic from Penampang right to Donggongor. Okay, and let me see if I can go cross over just outside the barriers, and I can see that this thin concrete shell is already cracking anyway. Okay, let me stop and try and cross this road. It's quite dangerous. The barrier is labeled Garak Yakin, probably the name of the contractor that is awarded the task of removing and rebuilding this contraption. So let's focus on it. Yesterday people were taking, last week people were taking selfies. So that's it. That's what they're so proud of. And let me give a close examination. That is already cracked. Those things that represent a basket are already cracked under the weather. And let me try to walk around it. I will walk around it slowly. I will walk 360 degrees around it. And see if I nearly fell into a pothole. Even the pavement in this road is useless. So there's another footpath. This is another angle that there's another 90 degree I've walked so far, and there's another footpath that they is supposed to access it, and that's where they went and did a ritual last Saturday. And this here, it's already cracked. It's already cracked, that basket, and somehow the structure here is already drooping, as if it has dropped. It's not, see that? It's not even, it has slumped in here. In the middle here, the Sigah has slumped. That means there's already a structural failure on this. See, it's a structural failure. The other side, I think it's straight. But here it is dropped, it drooped. So let's walk around again. Wow. I'm going to the front side. Oh, and here is a flood marker, because this place always gets flooded. Last 13 and 14, Valentine's Day, it was flooded here. to the extent that some people even make fun of the thing. He said you do some ritual and he gets more flood. Isn't that funny? Yeah. Let's go. I'm only 270 degrees is the front part. Let's see if the structural failure. Wow, and let's take a look at the design motifs. Some argue that it looks like raindrops. That's why it always gets flooded, they say. Some people say that's a raindrops, but other people say that this represents the rice, you know, paddy. Those actually designed for paddy, not raindrops, you idiot. But there's no cross, huh? Some Sigah got cross, which become a sensitive issue in this part of the world. As if they're so afraid of crosses. Okay. And I don't know why did they put a barrier here that I cannot walk through. Just because a lorry went inside here yesterday and they haven't started even doing the work. When are they going to start to do the work? Okay, I'm almost 270 degrees. And down below here's another flood marker. What? 0.5, 1 meter, 1.5 meter. If the flood reaches that 1.5 meter, everybody is drowned, man. Okay, let's go back. And here's another access point for pedestrians to go there. Look at it. Look at the structure here. This side is straight, there's no drooping, but compared to the other side, it was dropping. Here is perfectly horizontal. You know, the side of the Sigah here is horizontal. Okay, the other side was already drooping. Right, and I nearly fell in another pothole. So I'm just about to make a complete circle, and the traffic is terrible. And how can you make this thing as a tourist attraction when the air from the traffic must be full of carbon monoxide? Silly idea. Okay guys, I have reached the point where I first started, here at the back. And then after this is demolished, a new one is supposed to be built just across the corner. They don't want it. They. In front of the Mazda sales building. Yeah, they're just preparing the site. They're preparing the site there, okay? Wow, this is noon, this peak hour. So the traffic is really busy here. Terrible. That's coming from ITCC. Okay, folks. And that's in the heading to KK. And here is the traffic coming from Penampang. Terrible. Right.